Hello and welcome. My name's Damien, and this channel is dedicated to the living tradition of Vajrayana Buddhism, also known as Tibetan Buddhism or Tantric Buddhism. Vajrayana is often called the path of transformation, a profound and practical approach to awakening that works directly with compassion, wisdom, and the nature of mind itself. It's a tradition based in ancient lands and in ancient lineages, yet it's deeply relevant to the challenges of modern life. On this channel, you'll find guided meditations, teachings on Vajrayana practices, and clear explanations of sacred methods such as deity meditation, mantra, visualization, and compassion. All of these things will be presented in a way that's both authentic and, I hope, approachable. It's important for me to say this very clearly at the beginning. I'm an authorized Vajrayana teacher, having received formal transmission, instruction, and permission to teach from my own gurus in an authentic lineage. Everything that you see presented here is grounded in lineage and offered with respect, care, and responsibility. This channel is for practitioners who want to deepen their practice, for beginners seeking a trustworthy and authentic introduction to Vajrayana Buddhism, and anyone drawn to the wisdom and compassion which lies at the heart of Vajrayana. So whether you're here to calm the mind, open the heart, or walk the path towards enlightenment, you're very welcome, no matter who or what you are.